Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the conformal mapping of the function w is equal to e raised to z. First, we can discuss the mapping w equal to e raised to z. So we know that w you can written as u plus iv equal to e raised to z can be written as x plus iy. So this can be written as e raised to x into e raised to iy, and e raised to iy can be written as cos y plus I sin y. So e raised to x cos y plus I into e raised to x sin y. So our u is equal to e raised to x cos y and v equal to e raised to x sin y. Then modulus of e raised to z will be square root of u square plus v square. So here u is e raised to x cos y the square plus e raised to x sin y whole square. So you can see that it is equal to e raised to 2x cos square y plus e raised to 2x sin square y, which is equal to e raised to 2x into sin square cos square y plus sin square y will be 1. So square root of e raised to 2x is e raised to x. So the modulus of e raised to z is equal to e raised to x. Also the argument of e raised to z is, we know it is tan inverse of v by u, which is equal to tan inverse of v is e raised to x sin y by u is e raised to x cos y. So e raised to x can be cancelled, which is equal to tan inverse of tan y, which can be written as y. So you can see that the argument of e raised to z is y and the modulus of e raised to z is e raised to x. Now we can solve a problem using this. Find the image of the region bounded by 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2 under the mapping w is equal to e raised to z. So we know that under the mapping w is equal to e raised to z, modulus of w is equal to e raised to x and the argument phi is equal to the argument of w is equal to y. We have already proved this. Now first we can find this region when x is equal to 0. Modulus of w is equal to e raised to 0, which is equal to 1. That is, x equal to 0 is mapped onto a circle with a radius 1. Now for x equal to 1, modulus of w is equal to e raised to 1, which is equal to e. So which is a circle with a radius equal to e. So this the region between x equal to 0 and 1 will be the region bounded by w equal to 1 and w is equal to e. Now for this region 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. So first we take y equal to 0. Y, we know that y is the argument phi. So we can see that for y equal to 0 means phi is 0. And when y equal to pi by 2, our argument is phi equal to pi by 2. So the region between 0 and pi by 2 is mapped onto the region bounded by the rays phi equal to 0 and phi equal to pi by 2. So we can represent this mapping by this figure. You can see that this is y equal to 0, this is y equal to pi by 2, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So the region in between these, this region is mapped to x equal to 0 is mapped to this circle and x equal to 1 is mapped to the circle mod w equal to e, and y equal to 0 is mapped onto this ray phi equal to 0 and y equal to pi by 2 is mapped onto the ray phi equal to pi by 2. So this region is mapped onto this region.